Hey guys, it's me Jane. Today I will be editing with Premiere Pro. So I'll get started right now. No, I'm not gonna do that. What?
No. You have the same name.
No, it was the capture.
Oh,
So I'll get this. My bad. Put this right here into the timeline. Okay, now this is our timeline here. Sorry how the the screen stands.
Oh, that how you do it?
Yep.
Okay.
I found it. I figured it out. So this is the animation that I made. Here it is. Now I will be adding that sound. Well, I do not have a jump sound, but that is okay. So I have my pepper sound pack. Oh, that was something different. Here is my sound effects. Now I have my folder here. Here is the sounds, and now I'm going to drag it right here. Wait. These are just one of the animations and the files that I have. Here it is. And I also forgot to lower this down. There it is.
Nice.
So here is the edit that I did. So that's it for now, and yeah. So go check out my website, and if you like this video, then you can enroll on my website called janesimpson.store. Bye.